Lost your debit card, or maybe it's just worn out and doesn't swipe anymore. Ordering a replacement from Bank of America is incredibly easy, and today I'll show you how. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You have two main paths here: replacing a lost or stolen card, or simply requesting a new one for a damaged card. The process is similar, but the urgency is different. For any situation, log into your online banking or mobile app. Navigate to your account services, find Card Management, and select Order a Replacement Card. You can choose to get the same card design or pick a new one. You'll confirm your shipping address, this is crucial, and choose the delivery speed. Standard shipping is free, but you can often pay for expedited shipping if you need it urgently. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. If your card is lost or stolen, use the app to lock it immediately before you even order the replacement. This instantly blocks new transactions and keeps you safe while you wait for your new card to arrive. Just like that, you've solved the problem without ever visiting a branch. How long did it take for your last replacement card to arrive? Was it faster than you expected? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.